thing for us, Beanie, na grounded na talaga kami. Kasi simula nung last year na nag-boom kami hanggang sa ngayon, every time na tinatanong kami, anong feeling na nakikilala na kayo ganyan? Lagi lang namin sinasagot is, hindi pa rin nagsisink in. And hindi ko alam kung kailan magsisink in sa aming girls. Kasi, yun nga, lagi ko rin sinasabi, hindi bagay sa aming lumaki yung ulo or magyabang. Sobrang feeling namin pag magyayabang kami. Tsaka feeling ko dahil din sa naging journey namin, ang tagal namin itong na-achieve. So every time na merong blessings, talagang ano bang tawag dito, sobrang grateful namin kasi ang tagal namin itong hinintay. And ayaw namin magpakita ng kahit na anong bad attitude or basta kung anumang negativity yan. Kasi syempre, natatakot kami na mawala lang to agad sa isang iglap. Kasi nga yung pag-boom namin sa isang iglap lang din nangyari. So, anything can happen. So, ang gusto lang namin girls talaga is i-enjoy tong moment na to without getting into our head. You got it right.
Yes. Listen to you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Sheena, Maloy, and Jo. Next one is for Aya. Aya, ang tanong ni Nika is, what can we look forward to sa Beanie's upcoming album and concert?
Well, for our album, it's still gonna be very Beanie yung sound and our music. It's not super different from what you guys know about us and our music. So, ano lang, I can't say much, but it's gonna be exciting. And for our concert, yes, for our concert, ay hirap kasi hindi ko din, ang dami kong, basta it's gonna be exciting as well kasi ang dami din naming papakita na hindi pa namin napakita. It's not exactly the same with our last show. We have a lot of twists, a lot of different things we added to it. So I hope we get to see you guys there and not just in the Philippine Arena. Hopefully, makita namin kayo sa World Tour or if may mga kamag-anak kayo doon, well, tawagin na sila and tell them to buy tickets. Yan po.
Thank you, Aya. Go and ready na ba ang girls for the tour around the world?
Tour? Yes, we are ready. We are so ready. This is for you, Blooms.
May mga ano na ba? May mga countries na ba?
Yes,
Opo, na-announce naman namin last time actually. Pero feeling ko baka, malay nyo, may madagdag pa rin.
I know!
Kaya abangan nyo lang.
Abang-abang lang tayo sa mga announcements in the coming weeks and months. Next, we have Pauline. Pauline is here. Pauline Miranda from Scout Mag. Meron siyang question for Mika and Stacy.
About the upcoming single, Blink Twice. We're very excited to listen to it, and yeah, we'd love to get more details on that. Can you tell us more about it? How different will it be from the previous releases? Especially like Cherry on Top, you work with international producers, so yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for that question, Ms. Pauline. So Blink Twice, it was recently released, the extended teaser, yung If You Like Me Blink Twice, Are You Now You're Nice, and I'm sorry. Okay, If You Like Me Blink Twice, Are You Now You're Nice, and so ayun nga, I feel like the song, it mainly talks about how wag na nga tayong paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's go straight to the point. If you like me, just give me a sign, and that is to blink twice. And yes, it's also like cherry on top. We also work with international producers and songwriters for this one, because we want to give the best to you guys, and we also want to reach the international stage. And Stacy has something to say.
Yes, papakinggan niyo po ng buo ang Blink Twice on February 13. And malay niyo, perform namin siya sa concert. So, buy your concert tickets na. Buy your concert. Yes. So, parang pizza cherry on top. So, ayun. Feeling ko magugustuhan. Sana magustuhan ng Blink Twice.
Nakita namin yung yung teaser clips, Boots, Rains, Pop of Color. Na-shoot na, yung music video na yan. And siguro hindi na rin tayo ng Go Signal kay Ev. Di ba na-shoot ko kayo recording it in LA?
Ay, opo!
Remember?
Opo.
Ilabas na natin yon. Ilabas na natin yung recording na yan. Behind the scenes. Meron pa pang next question, Pauline? It's for Colette. Nakalagay dito. Baka Colette can answer your last question.
Actually, it was also about the EP. Yes.
Baka Colette can add something. Ano yung vibe ng new EP na ilalabas ng Beanie?
Joanna, pwede ko bang sabihin? Napakinggan na po namin yung EP and release po siya this year.
Yes, pero...
Diba? Baka kasi pagalitan mo na.
Pero wala pa tayong... Sorry. Pero wala pa tayong final pick. Kasi ang process namin ng management po, they listen to it, tapos makikinig kami sa amin lang, and then ipagko-combine namin yung thoughts para collaborative po. So wala pa kaming final lineup po na songs, pero magaganda yung mga, yes, lahat maganda po.
I think it's gonna be a special treat lalo na sa world tour, no?
Yeah.
Kasi as you release it, baka mapakinggan nila doon. Baka, di ba? Some of the new tracks. Okay, maraming salamat sa mga kasamahan natin sa press na nagbigay ng kanilang mga questions. Thank you so much then for Beanie for gamely answering the questions. Now, we have a lot to look forward to ngayong 2025 with Beanie, especially ang Beanieverse World Tour. But syempre, kahit anong mangyari, hindi kakalimutan ng Beanie ang Team Bahay at Team Abroad. Now, to find out how to view the live stream of Beanieverse World Tour sa I Want TFC, panoorin po natin to. Yon! Okay, alam nyo ba na the Beanieverse World Tour 2025 Philippines will be live streamed via I Want TFC. At ang ticket selling para sa live stream ay magsisimula today, February 4. Nag-start na, 5 p.m. It's already 5:03. So open na for those who want to catch or watch the live stream ng Beanieverse World Tour kick-off ngayong Feb 15. Pwede na po kayong pumunta ngayon sa I Want TFC app or iwanttickets.com at pumili na yan. Alright, let's have Beanie invite everybody to buy their tickets. Atras lang natin ang konti. There you go. Go ahead, Master Joe.
Yes, dahil madami nag-request ng live stream. Starting today, you may now purchase your live stream tickets via I Want TFC app or iwanttickets.com.
Tickets are priced at only 799 pesos or $19.99 via I Want TFC or I Want Tickets.
So, to all our blooms abroad and sa malalayong lugar sa Philippines, get your live stream tickets now and see you this February 15 for the Beanieverse World Tour 2025 Philippines live stream.